Mm-hmm. When I was young, I was a fool. I was blind, didn't know any better. I was afraid I made too many mistakes, and you'd only look at me as a sinner. No matter how much I would try, all the walls I put up always shattered, until your mercy conquered me. Oh Allah, you know I love my insecurities, and you keep them hidden far away. Oh Allah, you hide all of my sins and impurities, and you call me back when I go astray. Whatever I did, whatever I said that's wrong, it was only because I was fed up. I thought I could do it all, that I was strong, but it turned out I wasn't so clever. No matter how much I would try, all the walls I put up always shattered, until your mercy conquered me. Oh Allah, you know I love my insecurities, you keep them hidden far away. Oh Allah, you hide all of my sins and impurities, you call me back when I go astray. Every time I reflect on your blessings, couldn't thank you enough if I tried.